Okay, I'm going to show you guys a really quick and easy way to take off a topper from a full-size pickup. It used to take 4 of us to do it. They're extremely heavy. Since we live out in the country, my wife and I can't do it ourselves, but I figured out a way to do it all by yourself. And I can probably do this in about 5 minutes, so you can time me and see if I'm right. First, I've buried 2 poles on each side of the pickup. You can see they're pretty stout poles. They have some brackets on the things to clip some chains to. You'll understand that in a second. So I'll go inside and show you what you have to do. I already have all the clips undone, so I can just lift this up. And I take 4x4 blocks, and I'm 63, almost 64. This is still real easy to lift with my back, so it's not a big deal. I just get underneath here and lift this up and prop that there like that. Oops. And do this side. And do this side. And all 4 corners get lift off the pickup. Then I take, I've got these square tubing. You can see the square tubing. I'm just showing the inside here. It's pretty stout stuff. I run this underneath my pickup to the other side. Like that. And I take the chain. And I just lift up one end and put it on that rod there, and then I can pull my 4x4 out. Go to the other side, do the same thing. Pick this up, put it on the thing there. Remove the 4x4. Then I'll go to the front. Put the same thing through the front end. Get it in a bad spot there. Lift this up. Put it on that thing. The 4x4 fell out. Go to this side. Lift it up. Take out the 4x4. And then I can just drive out. Let's see here. Yeah. Off. Put a rope around it just to secure it to the poles. Put it on the same way. Back under it. Lift up, put the 4x4s in each corner, pull the chains off, and you've put it on in the same amount of time. So I don't know what that took me, but that is a whole lot easier than anything else I've ever done. There's no way you can do these things by yourself. They're just too heavy. So hope that helps you out. And if you got a way to bury some poles like that, you're in good shape. Good luck.